Hi there, my name is Amir and I'm an internet marketer and a certified elementary English school teacher. Now, I've been selling physical products on Amazon since 2015 and I've been using the Amazon advertising system to advertise FBA private label rights products, FBM print-on-demand products, Merch by Amazon products and KDP products for both me and my clients. In this course, we will learn how to use the Amazon pay-per-click system to a really good level. Now, Amazon pay-per-click advertising is essential for any physical products Amazon seller who wants to grow sales. Sales are essential on Amazon to generate revenue and to improve your product's ranking on the Amazon search results. Now, this course is for complete beginners. There is no need for any experience in Amazon pay-per-click or any pay-per-click outside of Amazon or advertising in general. We will walk through real-world Amazon products, starting with a meat thermometer and then a silicone popcorn popper. We will go through keywords, search terms, and tools that I've been using to advertise both my products and my clients' products. We will explore what are organic listings, what is PPC, pay-per-click, what are sponsored products, sponsored listings, what is Amazon ranking, why you should use PPC to begin with, and what is the number of Amazon reviews that I suggest you have before you start advertising your product on Amazon. We will walk through how to find our top competitors on Amazon, how to do keyword research, how to choose relevant keywords, how to create different advertising campaigns, and how to use a keyword density tool to improve our product's Amazon ranking. Together, we will also explore the essential columns in our Amazon search terms report in order to make our future advertising campaigns better and improve our current ones. Inside the course, there are projects that you can complete. I suggest that you will use them in order to practice what you have learned in this course or in order to add them to your portfolio. I've also included exercise files in the course so you can play along. Now I'm going to share with you all the advertising methods that I have learned over the years because my goal is for you to complete this course and have all the skills necessary to grow your sales on Amazon. Bye now.